Hi everybody, it's Simon and today I'm gonna add some sound effects to the fight scene that Matthew and Miranda did in the two previous videos. So I really recommend you to watch those two videos before watching mine. So I'm gonna add some sound effects and some music. So let's go. So I have two sounds of punches. So the first I can put this one right here. Yeah. And the second punch, maybe, yeah, I think this is good. Okay, let's see. Okay. Looks not that bad actually. Okay. Maybe more right here. Yeah. Yep. That's gonna be better. Great. So now I'm gonna add some music to the video. See you in few sec. So now let's see how it's look. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.